Hey gut feelers! So today we're going to talk about, as I promised you, about the green coffee alternative. A green juice, what I put in there, it's pretty simple, very basic recipe, and then you can juice it up with several things, and it's going to have such a positive effect on your body instead of just bumping up your energy and then you have the energy crushes which you get from coffee. You have just steady energy going up, 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 up. It's also awesome after workout if you're a person who's very active or you need your coffee in the morning, then that's the best alternative. It doesn't taste like coffee, it doesn't look like coffee, and it's better than coffee. And I haven't introduced my little friend here. It's my favorite basil plant. And it was so tiny, well, let's say so tiny, when I got it, and it just grew like within weeks. Bing! Healthy Peggy, healthy plants. So let's go! So guys, welcome into my kitchen. I'm gonna show you now the ingredients of the energy drink, the green coffee alternative, and then we're gonna look into what it does for your body. And I'm also gonna give you some tips what you can do for storage if you need to take it away somewhere, or how you can juice up the whole thing a little bit and add some variety to it. Okay, let's go. So the first thing you need, a green cucumber. Best organic, because often they spray the skin or they put kind of wax on it. So organic best, and you can also get all the healthy stuff that is here on the peel. Well, this is kind of a bit ambitious. Let's focus. That is on the peel there. I've explained it on an apple actually. So cucumber, one big long cucumber. And number two, you need 2 apples. So apples, these guys, if you don't wash them, same thing with cucumber, they have a biofilm on them. So for protecting the fruit, there is healthy beneficial bacteria which protects the fruit from sun, from rain, from all kinds of weather changes, temperature changes. And this film of bioactive bacteria is so much stronger than any probiotics that you can get in the bottle. And if you don't wash them, you don't wash off this healthy bacteria, which is so strong that it can actually survive your stomach acid, even if you have good stomach acid. So it gets deep down into your gut, into the small intestine, into the end part of the small intestine, where the vitamin B12 production happens. This is kind of the center. And if these guys get there, then they start growing colonies. It's not just for apples and cucumbers, it's for everything that lives outside. This is a whole food, yeah, so all berries. So if you can get it organic, are able to not wash it because you know where it comes from, that's the best thing to do. And third ingredient, I like 3, so it's just 3 ingredients again. Grapes. So for demonstration purposes, I used green grapes. I personally prefer red grapes because dark blue grapes, they contain all these health benefits. That's why French people say you should drink red wine, but just red grapes are much better. So demonstration purpose, because I wanted to make it a green juice, I got some green grapes, which are awesome as well. So this is the basic recipe. 1 cucumber, 2 apples, and this is kind of 2 handful of green grapes or other grapes. So now let's make the juice and then we talk about the health benefits and some amp up possibilities. Let's go! So if you don't have a juicer yet and you want to go for it, yeah, juicing is one of the best ways to get your minerals in and your vitamins on a very condensed base and to take away. I'm going to link you some better juices down below that I also tried out. I have a better one in Tenerife still, who's waiting there for me since forever, I feel. That's just as a side note. So guys, here we are. We came to our end result. So this is it. I'm going to drink it now. Oh my god. Oh, and literally I feel like how my cells are loving it. It's super sweet, really refreshing. So guys, what's in there? Plenty of minerals, plenty of nutrients, and what your body really needs if you have these energy crashes is not adrenaline, because coffee triggers your adrenal glands to release adrenaline, which causes a lot of stress in your body. It's highly erosive. It damages your liver on the long term. And the worst thing is because you start on an energy level, you go up and then you go much further down. Like the stock market crashes, you are much more down and you need much more doses to get up again. And this one It's not gonna kick your energy like coffee, but it's increasing your energy long term. So even if you're coffee addicted, go for Yerba Mate, which I talked about in this other video, which still has some caffeine, and then transition to green juice in the morning whenever you feel tired. So what I like to do is, I'm just gonna have one more sip and then I keep talking, okay? Just watch me enjoy life. I love recording videos like that. Ha. Okay, once you made that thing, it's the best thing to drink it immediately. Now I understand that if you got a day ahead of yourself and you can't really go to your office with your juicer, yeah, maybe it's a big juicer, and then, you know, it's just not possible. So what happens if you crush the cells of any living thing, anything that is like a plant-based food? You release enzymes. This is the great thing why raw juices and raw food is so great, because they come with their own enzymes. That relieves your body of needing to produce so much enzymes. Enzyme production is often something we struggle with these days. So the juice basically starts digesting itself. You also got vitamins in there which are sensitive to light, for example, which then start to break down and you can't really get the health benefits of them. So best thing to drink it fresh. If you can't do this, I got an awesome tip. Actually, it comes from the food industry. They found out that if they add vitamin C, it's like a natural antioxidant, meaning it preserves the juice longer. So storing it cool is good. If you can't store it cool, at least add vitamin C. Now, not just any vitamin C, not just the white powder that you get everywhere, which is highly acidic for your body. This drink is super alkaline, which is the opposite of inflammation. It's the opposite of disease. Yeah, you just drink it and you're going to be healthy forever. Well, at least if you drink it all the time. So what to put in there, vitamin C. I've actually found something that is called Pure Radiance. It's a very nice brand. What that is organic berries. Yeah, so the vitamin C comes from organic berries and it's in powder form, so you can just add it to your juice. I recommend like 1/4 of a teaspoon to add that if you have a glass like this, and that will help preserve the minerals. It also gives you the extra kick of natural vitamin C, which your body loves. Your immune system loves that, your liver loves that. So that's a way to make your juice a takeaway juice. Just these 3 ingredients taste awesome. I can guarantee you, I assure you, I'm sipping on it while recording this video, can't stop it. However, if you want to spice up the whole thing, adding ginger, for example, a thumb-sized, so look at your whole thumb, and then the whole size of ginger to the juice, like juicing it to the juicer as well. So if you feel like in winter you want something more spicy, for example, add some ginger. To make the juice even greener, you can add some herbs. I like to add basil, for example. You can also add lemon balm, you can add parsley. If you like coriander, you can add coriander. It's just gonna, you know, these guys here, they are mineral powerhouses. Almost all herbs are antibacterial, antiviral. It helps to strengthen the cells in your gut lining. They're awesome for the liver. The liver loves green, you know. Green, vitamin K, awesome for the liver. Happy liver, more energy. So guys, that was it. I can't wait to finish my glass of green juice. I want to know from you in the comments below, did you try that out, that juice? How does it taste? And do you have a secret tip what to add? What's your favorite combination? Let us know in the comments below so we can support each other to have more energy, more natural, stable energy levels throughout the day and enjoy life to the fullest. Thank you for watching, guys. I see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.